What's up, guys? In today's video, I am showing you Beyblade. And you probably all know it, but I'm gonna show you if you don't know. Beyblade is like these little things. There's different kinds, like Metal Fusion. But we're talking about Beyblade Burst. It can burst. Not really. Just review the sound like I'm gonna start reviewing stuff. So there it is. So here's a rippers to make them spin. I haven't made a video in a long time. And then here's the string that whatever. And here is the stadium. Okay, so if you can see it, well, this is a stadium. This is the stadium. I don't know how. Oh wait, I got it. Wait. Okay, now you have almost. Okay, there we go. Now you can see it fully, and I might bring right screen. So this is very dangerous. So I'm going with this ripper. And now, watch this. And then it spins like that. Anyways, and then it will stop spinning for a second. And I will do another review on this when I get more stuff for Beyblade. So first, let's break them apart. And this is I accidentally paused the video. Anyways, you get this top piece. Oh yeah, this is Prism, my babe. Then you put it there, and then you turn it like that. Then you get the tip. Then you put it in there, turn it, now twist it, now you have a full bay. Okay, there's different ways to launch it. Doing your hand spin, or using the ripper. I'm using the blue ripper, that's smaller. I'm gonna show you something of my day, if I could do it now. Wait, let me see if I could do it with the big ripper. See that? You can't see it fully. Yeah. Wait, pretty good. And my camera income's not that good because I'm doing my computer. So I can't. Oh yeah, I want to show you something. Wait, let me go get it. Oh, I want to show you something. If I can find it. Anyways, this is what I wanted to show you. This is a classic case and a mouse holder, but actually, I don't use it for those things. I don't wear glasses. Bro just left it with me because this wasn't my roommate at first. It was my brother's. Yeah, this, he used to have glasses, but he used contacts, so, yeah. So, I just grabbed that. I found a mouse, and now I use it for every video. That's good. But I use this mouse holder now to carry my main Ripper, because this is my main Ripper. No, this one. This is too small. People would spawn with it. Anyways, I put it in there. So I put it in my pocket because, that wasn't planned. But my friends have Beyblades. Yeah, I don't have any friends. Well, my people have Beyblades, and I just battle them. They're maybe my friends. I finally have friends. Anyways, I put it here and be like, yeah, barely. Then I put my bay here. And then be like, let's battle. Yeah. And then I battle them with my stadium like that. You know, it works. I wish I had a friend to battle with, and it just bursted. Oh yeah, if you know Beyblade and you lost this piece, you can add, and you have these two pieces. You can still play with them if you can actually put this piece in the middle right here. Look, it's still a Beyblade. Okay, but it's not really good. The speed is bad, but at least it's still a Beyblade. See, this is the customized Beyblade. But where's the... Look. It's not without this piece. I don't have this piece. I only have one of these pieces, but it still works. It covers you. It still works fine. You can still level it. And it's less dangerous. Oh, you don't see the way, right? My camera angle. Anyways, it can still spin. Trust me with that one. Still spin. Or you could just, if you don't have a rubber still, you can just use your hands, like I showed you. Anyways. Now, we'll test this. So that's Beyblade, basically. I don't know if I'm showcasing this, but it's fun. Wait. I tell you, Beyblade, jump, I can juggle, You're all peace out, guys.